Ready to supercharge your Next.js projects with the power of GitHub? First, let's set up our GitHub repository. Create a new repository on GitHub through the interface, giving it a descriptive name. Perhaps matching your project name. Consider making it private if you're working on something confidential, or public to share your work with the world. Now, initialize a new Next.js project on your local machine using the appropriate command. After your Next.js project is created, navigate inside the project folder using your terminal. Now, connect your local project with your new GitHub repository. You'll be using your terminal again, this time to initialize a Git repository. Add all the files, commit your changes, and finally, connect to your remote GitHub repository. Fantastic! Next, we're diving into the heart of version control. The core of GitHub lies in managing your code. Every time there is a feature you need to add or code you want to change, the Git commands are your friends. Before making dramatic changes, it's a good idea to use branches for isolated feature development. Commit frequently with clear messages so the team can be assured of a reliable record of change. Collaboration is where GitHub shines, branching out ideas, creating pull requests where you can discuss and review code changes, and merging them when you're ready. Use the issues section to track tasks, report bugs, and discuss issues with your collaborators. GitHub Actions are a powerful feature, enabling automated testing and deployment of your Next.js app with incredible ease. Push your project's build to be hosted. That's the beauty of CI/CD using GitHub. Finally, deploying is a super critical part of sharing your project with the world. Many options are available. You can use popular platforms like Vercel or Netlify, which offer seamless integration with GitHub for deploying Next.js apps. The key is automating the build, testing, and deployment steps. And there you have it. Now you're ready to share your amazing Next.js apps.